What if a single pair of glasses could magically replace eye exams, prescriptions, and expensive lenses? Sounds tempting, right? That is exactly the promise behind Zoometra Glasses, adjustable focus eyewear being marketed as a one-size-fits-all vision solution. But once you look past the ads, the reality becomes far less impressive. Zoometra Glasses claim that by simply turning a small dial, users can fine-tune their vision and no longer need prescription glasses. However, real vision correction does not work that way. Human eyesight issues like astigmatism, distance imbalance, and eye health conditions cannot be solved with a mechanical dial, and there is no credible optical or medical certification backing these claims. Another concern is the marketing itself, which relies heavily on fake customer reviews, AI-generated images, and exaggerated before and after stories that cannot be verified. Many independent findings show that these glasses are essentially low-cost novelty adjustable lenses, often sold online for just a few dollars, but rebranded and marked up to over $40. As for real-world results, feedback suggests they may offer limited clarity for very basic focusing needs. But they do not deliver consistent or reliable vision correction, especially for daily use, reading, driving, or long-term eye health. There are also repeated complaints about billing issues, unclear refund policies, and poor customer support, which raises additional red flags. To be clear, this does not mean Zoometra glasses are completely useless gadgets, but they are certainly not a replacement for proper eye exams or prescription eyewear as advertised. If you are considering them, it is important to understand the limitations, the misleading claims, and the difference between a novelty product and a legitimate vision solution. Always make informed decisions when it comes to your eyesight, because shortcuts in vision care usually cost more in the long run.